Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Pro. What if your glasses could translate your languages, record videos, answer a question, and you will replace your phone? In 2026, AI smart glasses are getting very good, and some of the cost less than smartphone. Today I am showing you top 5 best AI smart glasses in 2026. And trust me, number 1 is the insane. AI smart glasses are one of the fastest growing gadget trend in the USA right now. From real-time translation to hip hand-free AI assistant, these glasses are changing how we use the technology every day. Let's jump starting into the list. And don't skip this video till if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Starting at number 5. Rocket AI glasses. These are some of the most advanced AI style AI glasses available right now. Key features: AI powered AR display, real-time translation, navigation, notification, voice control with AI assistant. Rocket glasses are perfect if you are one AI plus adjustment reality in one device. They are popular among tech enthusiasts and early adapters in the USA. Number 4 is Tiv Technology AI Smart Glasses. And these are a game changer for travel. Why they are special? Real-time language translation supports multiple languages, perfect for tourists and business users. Imagine telling to someone in another language and seeing the translation instantly. These glasses are becoming very popular in the US travel and student market. At number 3, we have Can Fight AI Smart Glasses, one of the most value for money option. Highlights: AI voice commands, music calls, and navigation comfortable. Normal looking design. These don't scram the gadget, which is actually why many people love them. But what if you want AI features without looking futuristic? Number 2 is where things get serious. Can we AI smart glasses? What make them powerful? Building camera, video, and photo recording. Voice assistant navigation style futuristic look. These are amazing for content creators. Daily vlogging or hand-free recording. If you want AI glasses that actually feel like the future, this is it. And at number 1, no surprise, here's Ray-Ban Meta AI smart glasses. Why they are number 1? Meta AI assistant built-in, high-quality camera and audio, social media integration, premium Ray-Ban design. These glasses are the coolest thing towards smartphone replacement right now. They are expensive, but they are now exactly where AI wearable handing into 2026. If you want AI-powered AI glasses, Rocket is a great start. For affordable AI, Covid can fight for creators. Canvu is perfect. If you want the best AI experience overall, Ray-Ban Meta wins. AI smart glasses are not future anymore. They are already here. Which one would we wear? Comments. I read everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, if you want more gadget reviews update, to subscribe and the bell icon for more on these gadget videos.